Good evening from Nairobi, Kenya. I hope you are doing well. And today I want maybe to teach you just how you can give direction or location. For instance, uh, someone can ask you where you stay. That person will ask you, where do you stay? In Kikuyu is oikaragako, oikaragako, oikaragako. Unakaa wapi? Where do you stay? And then you give your answer. I stay at Nairobi. In Kikuyu is Jikaraga Nairobi, Jikaraga Nairobi, Jikaraga Nairobi. Good. Now, in the same topic of giving direction or to give the location of where you are. For instance, saying, I am here. I am here. In Kikuyu is de ha ha, de ha ha, de ha ha. Okay, good. To tell someone, go there, go there. In Kikuyu is die haria, die haria, die haria. Okay, die haria. Haria is there. Okay, good. The directions of the compass. We start from the east, where the sun rises from. The east in Kikuyu is, can you guess? Is Iradero. Iradero. Iradero means, it just means where the sun rises from. And then you can guess what the rest will be. It will be Idoero. Idoero. Idoero realiwa. Okay. Idoero. Idoero means west, where the sun sets. Now we have south and north. Can you ask a friend around you to tell you what is their names and put that in the comments. Thank you for taking your time. God bless you.